Howdy, this video is about my Joolca accessory bag fail. The zippers got stuck and they won't open. Tried everything, every kind of lubricant, contacted Joolca. They no longer make this bag. It was a rubberized waterproof bag. I bought it to carry hoses in, so I literally had to take my knife and cut the side off. They don't have a replacement for it, but it's got my power cord in it, extension cords or cables, hoses rather, hot and cold water, the filter, and my propane tank in here. I got the Nomad Kit. I've had this for several years now. This is the tankless water heater. It all fits nicely. This is the stand that it sets up on, but there's not a lot of room underneath it to store the cables, just the water pump and the handles. So I wanted to find something a little more robust. Went to Harbor Freight, and here's my solution. This is the Apache 4800 case. They have them in black, orange, olive drab, desert tan, or flat dark earth. And just wanted a case that was waterproof because these hoses leak, and I didn't want to leak water all over any of the cargo I have in the back. So I test fitted in Harbor Freight earlier. I'm just going to pull out the foam. Not planning on using it. There's 3 layers. So that's how I'm going to carry the case. And all these hoses, again, trying to do this one-handed, fit in there like that. And the accessory cord, power cable rather, for the water pump. Instructions. So that's what we're going to go with. Done. Apache 4800 rugged mobility, Harbor Freight. I think it was about 60 bucks for that case. I don't know what I paid for this bag, but it was at least $30 or $40, probably closer to 50, and it lasted maybe 3 years. I haven't used it since July 2025. This is April 2026. No reason for these zippers to freeze, but they did. Could not get them unlocked. So there you go. Joolca bag fail, Apache case solution. Yukon River Quest 2026.